Creating a monthly budget is a smart financial practice that helps you manage your income and expenses effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create your monthly budget. Determine your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income. Include all sources of income, such as salary, freelance work, rental income, or any other regular inflows. Calculate monthly expenses. Add up your fixed and variable expenses to find the total amount you spend each month. Analyze your spending. Review your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. Look for non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. Set financial goals. Determine your financial objectives for the month. It could be building an emergency fund, paying off debts, saving for a vacation, or investing for the future. Emergency fund. Try to allocate a portion of your budget towards building or maintaining an emergency fund. Remember that creating a budget is a valuable tool, but it requires discipline and commitment to follow through. Be patient with yourself as you adjust to the new financial habits, and don't be discouraged if you make mistakes.